For 20 years, AdvantageLumber.com has been known as your go-to supplier of tropical hardwood decking. Today I want to show you everything else that we got going on. We got a beautiful HDPE marina dock boards going out to service Tampa Bay. Here we got multiple TimberTech deck packages, including some fasteners, and even over here, some rail packages, including plugs and even a touch-up kit, which is pretty smart to finish the job. We're at our Florida facility. It's a beautiful, hot summer day. Let's see what they got going on inside. All right, it's actually perfect. We often say that there's not a small enough order that we won't service or a big enough project that we can handle. Perfect example, this is a 5/4 by 6 TNG tiger wood project. Customer forgot to order a few boards to finish the project. Take a look at those boards, it's gorgeous. This is a little bit different. This is a project going to Nassau in the Bahamas. Actually, it's a resort project that is taking large timbers. So you see 2x12 all the way through 6x6. Check these timbers out. It's absolutely stunning. These guys are, and long. All right, over here, we got some deck tiles. Let's see where these babies are going. So these are going to the Jersey Shores, over 1,200 tiles. You got the connectors, of course, but also some Ipe oil and seal to make sure the job gets done right. I know what this is. So this is our pre-finish end match teak. It's one of our most popular new products. It's going to Dallas, Texas. And let's see if I can kick a few boards out to show you how good this product looks. Check this out. So naturally, just with the matte finish, it has a V-joint pattern on this order, and it's also end match, so you don't have to linen a joist. It's a great product. Also looks like included with these orders some strips, trim pieces to make sure the job gets finished right. All right, so this is one of my favorite type jobs and really where we shine. This is a job going to Michigan, and they have 2x6 handrails, a custom 5/4 by 6 anti-slip profile, and some 1x4 white oak. Why not? Looks like they also included not just the Ipe seal, but some matching screws from Deckwise. And one of the smartest things you can do if you want to install a mechanically proper and also efficiently is the Pro plugs. All right, what else we got going on here? We got some whitewash gray ceiling with the trim pieces, some 1x6 TNG Ipe, and of course some posts for a rail system. So as you can see, much more than just tropical hardwood decking. Your project, it is our inspiration. For more content like this, like and subscribe. See you next time.